What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Tony, and today I'm bringing you a little project truck of mine. It's a 2007 Chevy Silverado Classic, sitting on 24-inch chrome Tex Edition wheels. The truck has a McGaughy's 5/8 lowering kit with the big C notches welded in already. I have, right now on the truck, I don't have a lot of accessories, but I have window tint, chrome door handles, sport mirrors. In the front, I got a new air dam, billet grill, and a billet bow tie. But overall, with the few things that I have done to this truck, I'm really happy with the way that it's turning out. I think the stance that it sits at is good. The wheels fit perfect. You know, if anybody has any questions about the 5/8 drop with 24s, be sure to leave a comment. And yeah, thanks for viewing. Peace.